Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating an asset under the plant and machinery module in StrategicERP. Navigate to the machinery types form under the plant and machinery module. Select the master type as either rock or income tax. Select the asset type as tangible or intangible. You can manually enter the fixed asset class. Enter the subasset class manually if you need to bifurcate the fixed asset class. Set depreciation applicable to yes or no. If yes, select the depreciation method. If no, you do not need to select a depreciation method. The process of creating machinery types is complete. Navigate to the EAM asset group form under the plant and machinery module. Select the name of company under which the asset is to be created. Select the fixed asset type. Data will be fetched from the asset, machinery type or master form. Enter the asset group based on the selected fixed asset type. Save the data. The process of creating asset in EAM asset group is now complete. Navigate to the machinery master form under the plant and machinery module. Select the asset owner as either company or contractor. Enter the contractor name if asset owner is contractor. For company, select departmental contractor name. Select the name of company. Enter the asset name and select the project name. Select the rock class code. The fixed asset class will auto-populate based on your rock class code selection. You can select the IT class code. Select the asset group. Data will be fetched from the EAM asset group master. If machinery details are available, enter the standard diesel consumption, ideal working hours, and fuel rate. For land or machinery purchases, enter the date of purchase. Enter the date put to use of the asset. Enter the purchase order number and purchase voucher number, if applicable. You can also upload purchase order and bill documents in PDF format. Select the location project name. Enter the asset ledger. This drop-down will auto-populate from ledger accounts. Check the opening asset checkbox. The depreciation applicable and IT depreciation percentage fields will auto-populate if previously defined in the master. You can manually enter the asset and vehicle details as applicable. You can also add asset additional details if applicable. Once all data is entered, click Save. The process of creating an asset in Machinery Master is now complete.